Now, sometimes you might want to snooze your target in order to help create less chaos in your mind. All right, so what do I mean by that? Well, here in YNAB, I have this opened up here, and let's say, for instance, I need to fund something else, but I don't have enough money, but I know this other fund I could take from and just replenish later, but I don't want to be reminded about it for this month, okay? I don't want to constantly seek the underfunded because it drives me nuts and I have to fund it. Probably just me, but I'm sure there's probably somebody else out there that has that same issue. So if I was to take from here and let's say I'm going to put it towards fuel. And by the way, what I did was I just clicked on that amount that I want to transfer. I say I want to transfer it all. Now you can just transfer part of it, but let's say I want to transfer it all to fuel, then that's all I do, right? Now, it's gone. But looky there. It's created this orange little thing here, and that'll drive me nuts throughout the month if I'm just constantly going down here. What's that? Oh, yeah, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah, never mind. I'm not supposed to do anything with that. But if I have several of them where I've done that, I might be like, well, maybe that's just underfunded for some reason, right? So, and it really, is quite evident if I haven't funded another thing yet and I need to fund it. I'm like, well, which one do I need to fund? But if I was to do this little toggle switch here called snooze target for this month, now it's got Z's there. It's not orange yet. And now I can see in a bird's eye view what I really need to fund and what I don't need to fund. Also, over here, under underfunded, the only thing that'll show up is that one that's underfunded, but not the one that I had taken money from because I don't want to see it for this month. I'll worry about it next month, right? But if I didn't click that, it would show up here in my underfunded, but I don't want to fund it this month. So sometimes you have to make those slight little adjustments in the way you handle YNAB so you don't get confused later next week if you go to, basically you should be in YNAB every day, to be honest with you, to make sure nothing's going wonky, especially if you have transactions being pulled in from banks and credit cards and such. But I would typically like to have that snooze on just so I don't get confused later on when I look at YNAB and say, what the heck is this one? Oh no, that's right. It's just an extra seconds that it, keeps from taken out of your day, basically, so you don't get confused. So anyways, I hope that episode was informative, and if it was, please click that like button. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment right down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.